In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add new vehicles to your inventory. I'm going to go over to Inventory Manager, Add Edit Vehicles. And I'm going to hit Add New Vehicle. We have a lot of different fields here. The red fields are required. I'm just going to start by pasting in the VIN number. You're going to be able to pull some information from that. I'm going to go over here and hit Decode. So this VIN number is for an Audi TT Roadster. I'm going to update the exterior color, the interior trim, transmission, and then hit Apply Values. So you'll notice all these fields have been automatically filled in just by pulling information from the VIN number. Also, these features have been pulled in from the VIN number. You can also do custom features. Check, drag to rearrange, hit the X to delete. You can add comments in at the bottom here, type in your own custom comments. You can also use the custom comment builder. We also have an option to load default comments, which you can set in the preferences section. We'll cover that in another tutorial. You can update the vehicle status. If you make it sold, it'll automatically exclude from exports, but the vehicle will still show up on your website with a sold watermark over the image. You can also manually check that, exclude from exports. Do the vehicle type, condition, custom categories, we'll cover in another tutorial. Title status. You're going to need to create a stock number. Just make sure you don't use any spaces or special characters. Definitely recommend updating the mileage. We have a few different options for pricing. Benchmark pricing, payment plan pricing, or custom pricing. We're just going to do a custom price here. We're going to save our changes. Now that we have this saved, we can hit Manage Photos. Here you can upload all your vehicle photos. Just click Upload New Photos here. There's also some additional information here, such as vehicle videos. Everything here customizable. Now we go back to our inventory. We'll see our new vehicle here. And that's all for this tutorial.